Watch me make this a delicious salad that'll actually have you wanting seconds, okay? But quick note. This video isn't a step-by-step recipe video. I just wanted to share the process of making this for the first time. I'll be sharing the full recipe and measurements in the description so you can try it for yourself because the combination of flavors and nutrients in this salad really makes it hard to pass up. I actually was making this salad for a Bible study Friendsgiving. There were a lot of new faces. Everyone was bringing something, and I wanted to make a good impression, but still play it safe. And to my surprise, babes, I barely had any salad left to bring home at the end of the night. Okay. The girls loved it. The girls loved it. Like, oh my gosh. I was actually shocked at how much people liked it. Everybody was asking for the recipe. I'm being a little dramatic. Almost everybody was asking for the recipe, and it was safe to say that it was a hit. It was a hit. I even made it again the next day because it was that good. I wanted more, and honestly, that's what really motivated me to even post this video because it kind of hurts my feelings that eating healthy feels like a chore for a lot of us. It really does. It hurts my feelings that a lot of us are making eating healthy something we force ourselves to do instead of something we look forward to doing. But it's all about retraining your taste buds. And I had to do that. And I'm here to encourage, if you're not here yet, I'm just going to say it now. Retraining your taste buds is so possible because it's important to actually enjoy nourishing food because it's healing. Like, food is medicine is so real. So, when it comes to retraining your taste buds, the key thing is actually eating the things you enjoy. Like, I already enjoy sweet potatoes. I was seeing everybody else's harvest salads when I was trying to get inspiration, and they had, baked squash and all kind of other things. And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna experiment today. Let's just do what's familiar with things that with vegetables that I already like, with fruits that I already love. And that's what it's all about. This is what it looks like to retrain your taste buds. It's choosing foods you already enjoy, then slowly introducing new flavors here and there without pressure. And there's just something so grounding about knowing that when you're eating, you're nourishing your body, you're taking care of yourself, and that's something to be proud of. That's something to praise yourself for because you're being mindful, you're being intentional, and that's just love to me. I don't know what that's love. And the best part is that this was my very first time ever putting apples in a salad, y'all. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad that I am open to trying new recipes because now I know how to make candied pecans from scratch. Babes, they are so good. Better than store-bought. Highly recommend. Okay. But what I'm saying is, like, when you try new foods and new dishes, it cultivates and unlocks a few things on the inside of you. I'm just going to get into it. The number one thing that trying a new recipe, a new dish, especially a healthy one, is going to cultivate is and unlock is confidence. Everybody talks about confidence, but can we just get into how when you start realizing, like, okay, wait, I can actually make me a dish that is healthy, but I actually enjoy it. I can make this for myself. I don't have to go out here. I don't have to go out here in the streets and buy something healthy. I can make it at home and actually love it. That builds trust in your ability to care for your body. The second thing that's going to be unlocked is your creativity. Cooking becomes less about rules and more about exploring. You start discovering what flavors work for you, what textures you love, what seasonings give you life. Because we go out here and we get takeout and Can I just, I'm raising my hand, and if you agree, please raise your hand too. I see you. Okay. Every single time that you've gotten food and you're like, this could use a little more season. This could use a little more. This could use more little razzle dazzle. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I love about trying new foods and dishes, because your experience with spices, flavors, all the things, like, you get to learn about the array of options out here. The third thing that's going to be unlocked is consistency. When you know how to throw together a quick, delicious, nutrient packed, dense meal, it becomes so much easier to stay consistent on your health journey. Y'all, can I just be transparent with you? Staying snatched for me is not hard, because I've retrained my taste buds to love healthy food to the point where if I am not getting in my nutrients, it bothers me. And this is why I want y'all to try making this salad. Because if you end up loving it, that's just another recipe to have in your arsenal, and your body is thanking you for the antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. This is what I love to call eating good on purpose. And I just want to thank you in advance for being intentional about what you put in your body, because that is an act of love. That's an act of stewardship. And honestly, the fact that you clicked on this video tells me everything I need to know. Is the fact that your interest is there. Something in you is ready for better. Something in you wants to feel good, wants to feel nourished, and wants to take care of the body God trusted you with. And I understand changing your diet is not easy. Retraining your taste buds isn't easy. Relearning what fuels you versus what drains you isn't easy. But remember, you're not doing this in your own strength. There is grace for you in this journey. God got you.